Hello everyone, welcome to this kitchen. Today I'm going to make the dark yolk mooncake. First I'm going to prepare the yolk. Put a little bit cooking wine to get rid of the yolk smell. Going to put the yolk in the oven for 10 minutes, 300 Fahrenheit. I'm going to make the dough. Before we make the dough, I'm going to make some light water. 1 gram of alkaline plus 3 gram hot water. Just dissolve the alkaline in the water. This is the inverted syrup. I made it 2 weeks ago. 100 grams of the syrup. I link the video in the description below. Now I'm going to add 50 grams of oil. Any oil is okay. And the alkaline water. Just to mix the oil and the syrup together. And 1 gram of salt. 200 grams of cake flour. Make it into a soft dough and put it aside for 1 hour. While we are waiting for the dough, we can make the filling. Today I'm going to use the chestnut paste. You can use the Lotus paste traditionally. Now I'm going to cut it open. Today I'm going to make 50 grams of mooncake, so the filling should be around 35 grams. Now I'm going to wrap the egg yolk with the paste. Make the paste into a rounded ball and use the thumb to make a big hole. Put the egg yolk in the center. Just wrap it up. The dough had been resting for an hour. Now I'm going to divide it. Today I use 15 grams of dough for each mooncake. If you are new, you can use 15 to 20. Now I'm going to wrap the dough with the filling and put some cornstarch to avoid it sticky together. Just rolling a little bit. It's not necessary, just this make it easier. This is a mooncake mold. Just put it inside the flour side on the outside. Here a click, okay, and I put some corn flour. Also, the mooncake covered with corn flour too. Make the mooncake a little longish, elongated, so it's easy to put it in. Give a little push to cover everything inside. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit, and all the mooncake are made. Now we can use a strainer, spring a little water to keep it moisture. Today I'm going to just use a brush, just brush some water on each of the mooncake to keep it moisture. Going to make an egg wash. And the same amount of water to the egg yolk to make into an egg wash. It has been in the oven for 5 minutes. I take the mooncake out and give an egg wash. Very thin layer. After 5 minutes, and I take off and give a second egg wash. And then put it back into the oven for 10 minutes. So after in the oven for another 10 minutes, and I broiled it for 2 minutes. Now the mooncake is ready. I will let it cool down for 10 minutes and put it aside for maybe 3 days to absorb the oil evenly, and it will taste better. The mooncake has been in room temperature for 2 days. Let's have a look. It's the old boxes from previous year, so it's look more brownish than it just made. And feel more soft, so the oil all absorbed evenly. I'm going to cut it and have a look. Very soft. The oil all evenly distribute. Thank you for watching. See you next time.